Welcome to Number One Coaching. Here's why most people fail at starting a business. They think they need 100K, a full team, and an MBA from Harvard. But the truth is, you don't. You just need the right tools and a little hustle. In this video, I'll show you how to launch your dream business on a budget using 4 powerful, affordable platforms. By the end, you'll know how to build, automate, and grow without breaking the bank. First up, School.com. If you're a coach, consultant, or expert, this platform lets you monetize your knowledge by building communities and courses. You can charge for access, sell courses, and scale through memberships. And the best part? Flat pricing. Clean design. No tech headaches. Focus on your message, not managing plugins. Sign up and launch your first community in minutes. Let me tell you a quick story. My buddy Jake started a mindset coaching group on School. No followers, no budget, just passion. In 90 days, he had 300 paying members at $49 a month. That's over $14,000 in monthly income. And he did it while sipping iced coffee and posting content. Then he added GoHighLevel. This tool is the ultimate automation weapon. It handles lead generation, email marketing, appointment booking, and even payments, all in one dashboard. It's like having a full marketing team working 24/7 without the salaries. If you want to run lean and still look pro, this is the move. Drop a comment below. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let's help each other grow. Next up, LegalShield. Legal stuff can kill your momentum if you're not prepared. Contracts, compliance, intellectual property, it adds up fast. LegalShield gives you unlimited legal advice, contract reviews, and affordable legal protection, all for less than lunch money. Don't risk legal mistakes when you can stay protected affordably. Last but not least, Acadium. This one's a hidden gem. Acadium connects you with apprentices who want to learn by helping you. You teach them the ropes, they support your business for free. Jake used Acadium to get help with social media, newsletters, and editing. And guess what? 2 of those apprentices later became part-time hires. It's a win-win. Grow your team without overspending. Let's recap. School helps you build your community. GoHighLevel automates your operations. LegalShield protects your business. Acadium helps you grow with affordable support. Use them together, and you've got a lean, powerful setup to build your dream business without going broke. Check the description for all the links and tools. Subscribe to Number One Coaching for more real-world strategies to scale your business your way. And hey, you don't need more motivation. You need execution. Start now.